What's up guys, RSlater8 here, back with another video, and I'm here to unbox Soar Phoenix 960 Giga Flat, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we finally found this at a Target, my local Target. Here are the stats. Alright, let's go ahead and box this thing. Alright, I got it open, and the first thing that comes out first is the launcher. Pretty long, pretty smooth. What does it say there? Beyblade X string launcher. Alright. Oh, these are the parts. So I guess, where's the, oh, here it is. So I wonder how I'm going to be able to take this out. Man, they really reinforced this thing. Oh, okay. And okay, finally got it out. Here's Soar Phoenix, the blade. And here's a QR code if you guys want it. And let me open up these extra parts. Alright, here we got the ratchet 960. And then here is the bit GF, which I assume is Giga Flat, but like I said, correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, now we're gonna put this thing together. Alright, Soar Phoenix. And it's a really nice looking Beyblade. It's going to be sad when this paint chips off, but you know, it's got to happen. So let's get to some test launches and some test battles. 3, 2, 1, let rip. The string launch is pretty powerful. So let's try that one more time. 3, 2, 1, let rip. Oh, it went straight into the extreme pocket. Yeah, that's expected because, I mean, the stadium is pretty small. So try it one more time. Ladder launch. It almost went in the extreme pocket. Alright, now we're going to do some test battles. Alright, we're going to do some test battles with Siphon Incendio and Arrow Wizard. Alright, so here we go. Alright, Phoenix got that one. Yeah. Oh, Phoenix cut the over finish. All right, Arrow Wizard. Oh, getting some big hits. Oh, and it just won. Let's go one more time. Oh, I got knocked out this time. Alright, thoughts on this set? I really feel like this is a must-buy because it comes with already competitive Beyblade Soar Phoenix, and it comes with the string launcher, which is an added bonus. And yeah, that'll be RSlater8 out. Peace.